There are a lot of choices when it comes to laundry detergents: powder, liquid gel, or detergent packs. For best results, always use a high-efficiency detergent. They're designed for laundry centers like yours, which use less water. They also help reduce soap suds and ensure proper cleaning. For powder, liquid, or detergent packs, simply add your detergent directly into the wash tub before adding your laundry. This will help mix the detergent into the water. Remember, the amount of detergent depends on the type of detergent you're using, load size, and water hardness. For liquid bleach, add the bleach to the compartment located in the left front corner under the washer lid. And then add 1 cup of water to flush the dispenser. For powdered bleach, do not add to the bleach compartment, but rather add it directly to the wash tub before adding your laundry. You can use fabric softener with your laundry center by following these simple steps. If your model is equipped with a dispenser, add the fabric softener into the dispenser compartment labeled accordingly, and don't forget to select the fabric softener button. If your model does not have a dispenser, add diluted fabric softener to the final rinse, or use a fabric softener dispensing ball. If you want to use fabric softener, refer to your use and care guide, as instructions vary by model. If you choose to use other wash products, such as water conditioners, detergent boosters, and enzyme products, just simply place them directly in the wash tub with your detergent before adding your laundry. Did you know your use and care guide contains stain removal suggestions? Go check them out. We're here to help, so if you need more information, visit www.frigidaire.com or call us at 800-374-4432. That should do it. You got this.